Jay-Boogie 2.0. Today I'm back at you with another reaction video. Today's reaction video is Dinglehopperz. Anthony jumps in Waterfalls, Faithy's Santa Claus transformation. Let's get into this.
Look.
Dinglehopperz.
Wow. Hi, Dingle Mom. What do you think? Was it worth it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty
Worth
cool?
it.
I don't know.
Lex, Mike, and Chase. Actually, I see Lex and Mike. Probably Anthony's gonna jump.
How high? No, how high is it? Yeah. 50 feet high? Alright. Let's see what all this excitement's about.
Yeah!
What happened? Scared? Don't move, buddy. Whoa!
Michael!
Ah! That is cold! That is cold! Get in there! It's so cold! The only problem is that it's that it's cold. Get off my god, let go. Okay, I promise I'll come in. I'm in. Ow. No. Oh.
Boy.
You going?
Anthony!
We just jumped off the rock, that's crazy. Why? Stay in there.
Look at mine.
Yeah, okay. Nice mohawk, bro.
Why it's cool?
Put your feet against the bubbles. Alright, so we came to KUALOA Ranch. We're gonna go do a movie tour. And super excited because they're gonna show us a bunch of different things from another movie. Different movies actually. And Anthony's super pumped. Right, buddy? What?
Stop!
Stop what?
Stop!
See the cat? Don't scare it. It's gonna attack you. Look, it's gonna get you. The cat's gonna come get you. Alright, KUALOA Ranch. They don't want to wait up for me? Alright, they're on their own. Who knows what's in those things? Could be anything in there. Anything.
You get one of me. Do you want to see my broken tooth?
Guys, look at his bird up there.
Anthony.
Oh yeah. How did Anthony see the little tiny speckles?
Kamehameha. Up until the back of the bus.
Super.
So he originally purchased KUALOA from King Kamehameha III, again in 1850.
Wait!
But the view is just amazing.
pretty.
So Jurassic Park was
Jurassic
another
Park!
video they filmed here, parts of it. The Very Brady sequel. Some of you guys definitely don't know who that is or what that is. Alright. Journey 2 with The Rock. That was also filmed part of it here. We got a few different things. Mighty Joe Young. Some of you guys definitely know who that is. That's one of
My favorite, gorillas.
What? What is it? What kind of noise does a monkey make? What? Who's that guy?
Wait, is this the exit?
See.
Wait, is this where the
This is one of the props. This is from what? Jurassic Park?
No, January 2.
Oh.
The penguin! My
51st Dates, one of Uncle Crusher's favorite movies. Shout outs. This movie was super funny. Part of it was filmed.
Probably he wants to get a
Along Came
girlfriend.
Holly, another good movie.
Just kidding, he already has one.
Really, really funny. You mean the three? All movies Uncle Crusher likes on my top list. There's a lot of cool movies filmed in here. We have some dinosaurs. Look at these three dinosaurs. Look.
Velociraptor.
What is that? What is that?
For thousands of years, they devoured the earth.
Oh, it's in here. It's in here. Come here.
Now he is on his own to save his
Come in
people.
here.
A test of courage.
Look, 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 look. What?
Never assume they will find you.
This is insane. Oh my gosh. There's a T-Rex. Dude. Anthony, come here, come here. Come here, it's okay. Isn't it scary? What if I hold your hand? You don't see a dinosaur? Come on, hold my hand. I promise it'll be okay. Come on, you goofball. This is one of the sets from King Kong that's coming out next year. Then we got this firsthand.
King Kong 2017
Pretty awesome.
movie props.
So if you guys remember this next year, tree.
Oh, I want to see King Kong. I never saw King Kong. I never saw a King Kong movie. But I only saw the old one.
What?
I'm gonna go kick that bird away.
Oh yeah? There's a papaya tree. Check that out. We got papaya.
And if you do get a chance while you're there, definitely try it.
Look at the guy.
Hawaii.
So that movie
Hawaii.
was from when I was a kid. They said 20 years ago. And it was one of my favorite movies as a kid. So to see that real life thing, pretty neat. Anthony got to see an original set from a Jurassic Park. Oh my god, Anthony! Godzilla's coming for us! Holy moly, we've got Godzilla's footprint right next to us. This is where he actually stood. Look at that. Insane how big
scene
this
or
hood
the movie,
is.
this was where they had a fake animation village set up here. And Godzilla.
Oh,
rampaging
that's
through.
Godzilla's
Usually
footprint.
it's more like
So this is a
Resident
sneak
Evil.
peek of the King Kong movie coming out. One of the props that they use. They can't release what they look like ahead of time, but we kind of got to get close zoom in of what looks like a skull. So when you go to see this movie, you can kind of remember Uncle Crusher showed me this. Look, you could definitely see that it's a skull of some sort.
So this is where they did a lot of the filming. So the first location that we saw was where they were filming at night, and this is where they were filming throughout the day. So they actually rerouted the tour. So
On that side, you could definitely see a clause of some sort. The wind blew them off. So,
but for the most part, when movies are filming,
I'm hooking
they do
you guys up
have
so
us
you guys can see ahead of
reroute it so we don't
time
pass
some of the things
by.
that are going to be in the
Or they
movie.
just might interrupt the entire set with kind of black outfits.
It was like, boom. Yeah.
Right, everybody, thank you so much for joining us while we went to the waterfalls, while we did KUALOA Ranch, and we have the finale video for our Hawaii trip coming up soon. Make sure you comment down below, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll check you later. Peace out, everybody.
Ooh, my favorite part was the King Kong stuff that's gonna be in the 2017 King Kong movie. That was my favorite part because gorillas are my favorite animals. And I hope you like this video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe.